How engineers do it.
Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video we'll see how we can quickly merge two points in Catia. So as we see here, we have a rectangle and it looks like it's a closed rectangle, but if we go to sketch analysis, we'll be able to see that all the lines are isolated. It means that there's kind of a gap in between each of these lines. We'll be able to have a look at the sketch analysis. If we click over here, it'll show you the different endpoints circled over here, and also if we zoom in and see, we'll be able to see that there are gaps. If you find that there are gaps in sketches, what you can do is you can select the arrow tool here for selection, and from the outer view itself you can just drag a box here so that both the points are selected, and go for constraint and go for coincidence and click on OK. So this is better than the usual or the manual way of zooming in and then manually selecting these 2 points and going for coincidence. So instead of zooming in, zooming out, clicking on each of these points, we'll save time if we are just dragging a box and just going for coincidence. This can also be done like a kind of a routine check, where we see 2 lines, and if we don't really see this coincidence over here and we are in a doubtful stage whether this is closed or not, what you can do is you can just simply drag a box here and go for coincidence, and it will be rest assured that the points will be closed. So to verify that, you can go for finally for sketch analysis, and you'll be able to see that it's an implicit profile which is closed and which has 4 curves, and we can see all those 4 curves here. So that's it about this video. I hope you enjoyed, and this will be definitely helpful for people who have been using the other way to merge points. Thank you and stay tuned.